Hello guys. Hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day. In today's video we will know how to download Playstore apps in PC. So let's start. All you need to do is to open Google Chrome. Search 𝐒𝐔𝐁𝐄 in the search bar. Click on the first site. It will be m.apkpure.com. Now move to the search area and search your game. Once you find the specific game, click on the download option. After this, you need to click the download button again. Once you click it, your game will start downloading on auto. Remember that these apps will not get played directly on PC. To install them, you need to watch its second part from the link in the description. In its second part you will know 2 ways to install apps. So it's worth checking out.